This hotel is incredible.
Hey, this is a FUFU in Nara. We've just survived and my mind is blown. Firstly, come on in. Look. We need these in the UK. Boom, 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 pow. Stop it. All right, come on. Look. Hey. We protect my modesty. Hey, look at this. Okay, all right, up again. Don't look at my legs. Watch this. Okay, come on. Through to the bedroom. Side table. Let me get my walk on. I mean, it's January at the moment, so we're not trying to do that, but footwear, foot there, look, okay, alright. Hey, I'm hard-bodied, but I'm also not wearing trousers, so I'm going inside. Back into the ward, okay. Last but not least, let me swing. Hey, come on in to the bathroom. This is the FUFU Nara, and the best thing, if all of that wasn't great, about this is we've got our own private hot spring. And when I say hot spring, I mean it's a hot thing. It's definitely not gonna be in here. You make sure you wash yourself first. We don't want no dirty bodies in the hot spring, okay? Alright.